Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ant farms and exploring the best ant species to keep in them. Selecting the best ant species for an ant farm depends on various factors, including ease of care, activity level, behavior, and availability. Here are some popular options along with their characteristics. 1. Harvester ants, Pogonomyrmex spp. Harvester ants are popular choices for ant farms due to their large size and relatively easy care. They are known for their industrious nature and impressive tunneling abilities, which can create fascinating patterns in the substrate. These ants are also active, making them entertaining to observe within the confines of an ant farm. However, they can be aggressive if disturbed, so handling should be minimal. 2. Red imported fire ants, Solenopsis invicta, Red imported fire ants are widely available and known for their reddish-brown coloration. They exhibit complex social behavior, including mound building and foraging. Fire ants are highly active and can be fascinating to watch as they work together in their colonies. However, they have a notorious sting, making them less suitable for handling and potentially risky for individuals with allergies. 3. Carpenter ants, Camponotus spp. Carpenter ants are large and robust ants that are readily available in many areas. They are known for their ability to excavate wood, which can create interesting structures within the ant farm. Carpenter ants have a relatively low aggression level compared to some other species, making them suitable for observation and handling with care. However, they may not be as active or visible as some other species, preferring to spend more time within their galleries. 4. Black garden ants, Lasius niger, Black garden ants are common in many regions and are known for their black coloration. They exhibit interesting behaviors such as foraging and tending aphids for honeydew. These ants are relatively small and easy to care for, making them suitable for beginners. They are not as aggressive as some other species, making them safer for handling and observation. 5. Leafcutter ants, Atta spp. and Acromyrmex spp. Leafcutter ants are fascinating to observe due to their unique behavior of cutting and transporting pieces of leaves to their colonies. They exhibit complex social structures and are highly organized in their activities. Leafcutter ants are relatively large and active, making them visually appealing within an ant farm. However, they have specific dietary needs, requiring fresh vegetation, which may add complexity to their care. When selecting an ant species for an ant farm, it's crucial to consider factors such as the level of care required, availability of the species, activity level, aggression, and the observer's preferences. It's also important to research and understand the specific needs and behaviors of the chosen species to ensure proper care and enjoyment of the ant farm experience. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the best ants for ant farms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Until next time, happy ant keeping!